Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a weather widget to Notion by using a custom HTML embedded weather API or third-party widget. Now we know that adding a weather widget to Notion is a great way to keep track of the weather while working in your workspace, and we also know that Notion doesn't have a built-in weather widget. But we know that we can easily integrate a weather widget using an embedded web tool or third-party service like Indify, Widget Zapier, or similar widget providers. So we want to learn how to use the custom HTML embedded method for users who prefer more control over customization. Let's get started. First, visit websites like weatherwidget.io or AccuWeather. Now, the URL for AccuWeather is www.accuweather.com. So you can visit any of these two sites. They offer customizable widgets. The next thing you're gonna do is create a widget. So let's say we're using weatherwidget.io for example. This is the one we visited, and now we want to create a widget. So we click on create the widget, then we choose a location, city region, select the widget size, style, and color. Once you've customized it, widgets will provide an HTML code for embedding. Then you copy the generated HTML code for the widget. You copy it and you go to Notion page. Go to your Notion page, create a new block by typing /embed and paste the HTML code directly into the embedded field. Note that this might not render the widget as expected in all cases. If it doesn't work as a raw HTML embedded, if it doesn't work as a raw HTML embed, use an iframe or other embed tools. Most widgets will allow you to decide directly with the Notion to feature design preferences. Just click and drag the corners to adjust. While after embedding, check that the widget loads correctly. It doesn't show, double check the embedded code or try refreshing the page.